Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Figma website. Open Figma, create a new file and set a 1440px frame, add a grid, and pick a font scale. Design your header, hero, and content blocks using components for reuse. Focus on consistent spacing, accessible colors, and simple navigation. Prototype interactions like hover and page links, then inspect and hand off assets to developers with measurements and exported images. Keep it iterative and test with users. Create components early and use variants to handle different states like hover and active for buttons and inputs. Apply text and color styles across headings, body, and captions so everything updates instantly. Use auto layout inside components to keep spacing consistent when content changes. Organize assets into pages and name layers clearly so collaborators can find things. Regularly review components to simplify and remove. Prototype realistic flows with time transitions and overlay interactions to show how the site feels in use. Test on different devices and use Figma Mirror or a browser preview to catch layout quirks and touch targets. Use the Inspect panel to provide exact pixel values, fonts, and exported image settings for developers. Discuss responsive behavior, breakpoints, and fallback rules so the handoff is smooth and reduces rework during development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.